We often think of nature as a ruthless competition for survival. However, a closer look reveals a different story. Animals, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, frequently engage in acts of cooperation. These acts of kindness are not random. They are essential for the survival of many species. Cooperation is not limited to animals of the same species. We see incredible examples of interspecies cooperation as well. These collaborations demonstrate the remarkable ability of animals to form bonds and work together for mutual benefit. Understanding these interactions provides valuable insights into the complexity of the natural world. These acts of kindness are not just heartwarming stories. They are a testament to the power of cooperation in nature. By studying these behaviors, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. One striking example of animal cooperation is found in vampire bats. These bats need to feed on blood every few days to survive. When a bat fails to find a meal, it relies on its roost mates. A hungry bat begs for food by licking a roost mate. The well-fed bat often regurgitates blood to feed the hungry one. Another example is seen in African wild dogs. These highly social animals hunt in packs. They share the responsibility of bringing down prey and then share the food. Even injured or sick dogs are allowed to eat. This cooperative behavior ensures that all members of the pack are fed and can survive. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and complex social structures. They exhibit remarkable cooperation, especially when it comes to caring for their young. Female dolphins often assist mothers in birthing and caring for calves. They act as aunties, protecting and guiding the young. These are just a few examples of the many ways animals help each other. From sharing food to protecting the vulnerable, cooperation is woven into the fabric of their lives. Why do animals help each other? While some behaviors may seem purely instinctual, there are often deeper reasons behind these acts of kindness. One primary driver is kinship. Animals are more likely to help relatives because they share genes. By assisting family members, they indirectly contribute to the survival of their own genetic lineage. Cooperation is also driven by reciprocal altruism. This means that animals help those who have helped them in the past. This system of give and take fosters a sense of community and strengthens social bonds within a group. Animals that engage in reciprocal altruism are more likely to receive help when they need it most. Another factor is group selection. Groups of animals that cooperate effectively are more likely to thrive than those that do not. For example, a pack of wolves that hunts together can bring down larger prey, providing more food for all. Over time, cooperative groups are more likely to survive and pass on their genes. These factors, combined with ecological pressures and social dynamics, shape the incredible diversity of cooperative behaviors we see in the animal kingdom. Scientists have been studying animal cooperation for decades, using a variety of methods to understand these complex behaviors. One approach is observational research. By carefully observing animals in their natural habitats, scientists can document instances of cooperation and identify the factors that influence these interactions. Another method is experimental manipulation. Researchers may create controlled environments to test specific hypotheses about animal behavior. For example, they might manipulate food availability to see how it affects sharing behavior within a group. Genetic analysis is also providing valuable insights into the evolution of cooperation. By comparing the genes of different species, scientists can identify genes that are associated with cooperative behaviors. This helps us understand the evolutionary pathways that have led to the remarkable diversity of social interactions in the animal world. Through these scientific investigations, we are gaining a deeper understanding of the mechanisms and motivations behind animal altruism. Section 5. The power of togetherness. Cooperation as a survival strategy. Cooperation is not just a heartwarming aspect of nature. It is a crucial survival strategy for many species. Animals that cooperate effectively are better equipped to find food, defend themselves from predators, and raise their young. For example, lions that hunt in coordinated groups have a higher success rate than those that hunt alone. Cooperation also allows animals to cope with environmental challenges. For instance, some species of birds migrate long distances together, relying on the collective knowledge of the group to navigate and find suitable breeding grounds. In harsh environments, such as deserts, animals may huddle together for warmth or to conserve water. The benefits of cooperation extend beyond immediate survival needs. By working together, animals can access resources that would be unavailable to them individually. For example, ants can collectively lift and transport objects many times their own weight, allowing them to gather food and build complex nests. In a world of constant challenges, cooperation provides a significant advantage, increasing the chances of survival and reproductive success for individuals and entire species. Section 6. The empathy factor, understanding animal emotions. The question of whether animals experience emotions like empathy is complex and still debated by scientists. However, there is growing evidence to suggest that many animals are capable of understanding and responding to the emotional states of others. This ability to put themselves in another's shoes may play a crucial role in driving cooperative behaviors. For example, studies have shown that rats will free a trapped cage mate even when offered a tempting food reward. This suggests that they are motivated by something more than just a desire for personal gain. Similarly, elephants have been observed exhibiting comforting behaviors towards distressed individuals, such as stroking their trunks or emitting rumbling vocalizations. While we may never fully understand the emotional lives of animals, it is clear that they are capable of complex social interactions and possess a remarkable capacity for empathy and compassion. Section 7. From ants to elephants, cooperation across the animal kingdom. Cooperation is not limited to a select few species. It is a fundamental aspect of life on Earth, observed in creatures of all shapes and sizes. From the intricate social structures of ant colonies to the cooperative hunting strategies of wolves, examples of animal cooperation abound in every corner of the globe. Insects provide some of the most striking examples of cooperation. Ants, bees and termites live in highly organized colonies where individuals have specialized roles and work together for the good of the group. These insects exhibit remarkable feats of coordination, building elaborate nests, cultivating fungi, and defending their colonies with a collective force. Among primates, chimpanzees display complex social behaviors, including cooperation in hunting, food sharing, and coalition formation. These intelligent apes engage in intricate social maneuvering, forming alliances and competing for status within their groups. From the smallest invertebrates to the largest mammals, cooperation is a universal language that transcends species boundaries. Section 8. Challenging our assumptions. Rethinking animal intelligence. The study of animal cooperation challenges our traditional views of animal intelligence. For centuries, humans have considered themselves to be the most intelligent species on Earth, often attributing complex emotions and cognitive abilities solely to our own kind. However, the widespread occurrence of cooperation in the animal kingdom suggests that we may have underestimated the intelligence and emotional depth of our fellow creatures. Animals that engage in sophisticated cooperative behaviors demonstrate an ability to learn, remember, and apply knowledge in different contexts. They exhibit problem-solving skills, strategic thinking, and a remarkable capacity for communication and social negotiation. By recognizing the intelligence and emotional complexity of animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and our place within the web of life. Section 9. A call for conservation protecting cooperative species. Understanding and appreciating animal cooperation is not just an academic exercise, it has profound implications for conservation efforts. As human activities continue to encroach upon natural habitats, many species that rely on cooperation for survival are facing unprecedented threats. Protecting cooperative species requires more than just preserving individual animals. It demands a holistic approach that considers the intricate social structures and ecological relationships that underpin their survival. For example, protecting migratory species requires international cooperation to conserve their breeding grounds, stopover sites, and wintering areas. By raising awareness about the importance of animal cooperation, we can inspire greater support for conservation efforts and work towards a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. It is our responsibility to protect the remarkable diversity of life on Earth and ensure that future generations inherit a planet where cooperation continues to shape the destiny of all living things.